All right, we're going to be listening to the lung sounds. Can you sit up as tall as you can? Good. And then hold that right there. And then I want you to breathe in and out. All right, I'm going to do a couple different spots on your chest. So we're going to be listening through the diaphragm. So whenever you're ready. All right, so on the edge here. Same thing, big breaths in and out. Good. All right, so we place the stethoscope on the left and right side so we can uh, see the difference between either side, and we're looking for sound quality, duration, and volume.